Hello everyone. Normally, Sunday is something where people will go for outing or watch movies and enjoy it, and they are most lazy on Sundays. But for me, it's not like that. When I woke up, I saw Raj Shamani video, and he started inspiring me that uh, no matter you are into a breakup, no matter you face losses in your business, no matter you faced lot of challenges, no matter you failed a lot of times, nothing matters. Finally life goes on and you have to go on with it, and nothing should hold you, no regrets, no guilt, just move forward. That's how he is telling us to live our life, and that's true because nothing matters in the end. You just have to move forward. If you fail today, you have to learn from that and move forward again. So that's how life goes on. Apart from that, today I spoke with Megha Nayak for three classes on Clappingo. So this conversation was very fruitful, and today we spoke on variety of topic on Elon Musk, on SpaceX, on outer space, and this conversation is brilliant. I love to talk on such topics, and whenever it comes to passion, I really enjoy talking to such topics. And she really helped me to like dig into my mind, and like she helped me recollect all my past memories, and I appreciate her, and she's a great teacher. If you ever go into Clappingo, you must have a conversation with her because uh, I really enjoyed conversation with her. And apart from that, today at 10:20 I spoke with Avi Arya. If you don't know who is Avi Arya, he is a CEO of Internet Mughals, and it is a 10-year-old company with a lot of international clients over he has served 200 global clients, global businesses, 200 global businesses, and it's a huge brand. And I spoke with him for 7 minutes, I guess, and it was a great conversation. Like I applied as a SEO content writer, and I don't know whether I am selected or not, but I have applied. I directly spoke with him. I showed him my portfolio. I showed him my expertise. I just wanted to like get some projects so that I can give my best. I also offered him free content writing, and let's see that that's about it. And apart from that, today there was no gym, and tomorrow there will be gym. And today most of my time I spent for my first internship, Sell It Like Swastik, and uh, as a customer support. And this experience are teaching me a lot. It's making me wise day by day. It's teaching me people problem, and that's what I love about it. And tomorrow is Krishna Janmashtami. Happy Krishna Janmashtami in advance. So I hope you guys celebrate it. We celebrate it actually. And apart from that, I spoke to my friends, and my friend in the sense, okay, one friend I spoke with her after 2 days because I was busy these days. And apart from that, I just wanted to like, as I always do, I will do my LinkedIn following count. So my LinkedIn following count is 556, and my Instagram count is 601. Twitter, I recently have stopped posting on Twitter and Medium because I'm working with multiple internships. So in order to provide quality work here, I had to sacrifice my Twitter and Medium because those are not my main areas right now. My main area is LinkedIn, and I cannot stop posting on LinkedIn. I am daily posting over there. So that was pretty much about it. And I have this camera. uh, if you don't know what this camera is, in my bike helmet I need to like fix it like this, or like this, or behind. I can like attach it to multiple areas. So tomorrow when I go to gym, I will record my footage, bike riding footage, and have, and I'm planning that from tomorrow, whenever I ride my bike, go to gym, everything, I will just record my journey to the gym, and so that even you guys can see how it is like. And at night I will like document the video same way like this, so that I will like attach morning footage of gym and then night footage like this, so that even you will enjoy waking up early with me. And apart from that, in my channel you can also see some clapping of videos, because I have so much to post. I didn't post, I just post once in a while, but I have many videos in my hand. So apart from that, from tomorrow I am organizing a lot of things, but my situation is like I'm working in multiple internship and I have to provide quality work over there. So I am compromising some of my schedules, which is not that important, to be very honest. So tomorrow I have to like I will have to upskill myself a lot. So that was about it, and I think it's late. It's 11:16 p.m. So I will go to sleep because I have to wake up early. Good night, everyone, whoever is watching this till the end, and thank you so much for sticking till the end. I appreciate it.